Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get diamonds for free in 99 nights in the forest. So there are new codes. Well, there's only one new code here, and to redeem it, you're going to go to the game obviously, and you're going to select the diamond button here. Then select codes and then enter the code Afterparty, press submit, and you have redeemed 15 gems. That is pretty much it that you can get. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click that thanks button as well. And that is pretty much it for this video. I think they removed the daily quests that can also give you free diamonds, but this is just another way to add it to your diamonds, is to enter the code. Again, the code is Afterparty. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.